Hi guys, welcome to the Make Money Show. Today we will be talking about one of the most hyped and one of the most in-demand YouTube courses that aims to be an all-in-one solution for anyone looking to make a huge amount of money through YouTube. This course is called Tube Mastery and Monetization, and it aims to equip you with the knowledge required to start and grow a highly profitable YouTube channel that can earn six figures income. Now, before we get into the video, I'd like to remind you to please subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications so you do not miss a future video. In this video, you will be able to see the contents of the course, its pros and cons, and our final verdict about the course. By the end of the video, you will know if it is really worth it to get the Tube Mastery and Monetization course by Matt Parr or not. So stick around to the end. Okay, first things first. Many of you want to earn money, and a lot of money. Well, it is entirely possible. You must have a plan, and maybe you guys are looking to get into YouTube to do that. Now the question is it really possible to earn a six-figure income from YouTube? Well, we know that the top YouTubers do earn millions of dollars every year. But the question here is it really possible for an average person with an average skill set to start from scratch without any prior experience and make a lot of money through YouTube? The answer is yes. Yes, it is entirely possible for anyone to start a YouTube channel, or maybe a few channels, and earn a six-figure and even a seven-figure income every month. Now, is it easy? The answer is no. It is not easy, but it is totally doable, and if you are focused and if you have the right guidance, Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization course basically aims to provide the guidance required to make a successful YouTube business. So if you are motivated and focused, then such a course can help you out a lot. As we have already mentioned, Tube Mastery and Monetization course has been created by Matt Parr. You might be wondering about Matt's expertise and why should you even consider his course. To give a brief overview of Matt's profile, Matt has basically been an entrepreneur all his young life. He started earning money through his various ventures at the age of 12. At 14, he decided to create a YouTube channel. And after making tons of videos, he finally had one go viral. That video got around 100,000 views, and this is when Matt realized the true potential of YouTube. By the time Matt was 16, he was already making approximately $9,000 a month from YouTube, which is much higher than the average income of most of the experienced professionals. Over time, Matt was able to create an entire system of making YouTube videos. He had multiple employees working on 9 channels, and he was making an average of $30,000 a month. At that point, the only thing he was doing was just uploading the videos and optimizing them. Today, Matt's course, Tube Mastery and Monetization, is one of the top courses when it comes to YouTube. And apparently it has helped hundreds of people build their own YouTube businesses. So what can you expect in this course? Basically, Tube Mastery and Monetization teaches you everything from scratch. Unlike other courses, this course does not expect the viewers or the students to have any previous knowledge of running a YouTube channel. It does not require any technical skills. Matt Parr kind of grabs you by the hand and guides you on how to start the channel, how to make videos, how to monetize them, and how to grow your channel. This course also tells you how you can outsource most of the work and kind of make a money-making machine for yourself, in which your only role is to oversee things as a boss. Now, let's take a look at the contents of the course. Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization has 7 modules. The first module is titled Overview of the Blueprint. This module basically gives you an overview of the 3 stages of building your YouTube business. It tells you about the beta phase, the intermediate phase, and the scaling phase. The second module is about choosing the right niche for your YouTube channel. It tells you the different ways of going about YouTube. It gives you a list of some of the best paying high CPM niches, and it also tells you how to do market research in order to find the right niche. The third module of the Tube Mastery and Monetization course is all about setting up your channel for success. This is where things really start getting interesting. and Matt starts telling you some of the secrets of his success. He not only tells about his favorite YouTube tool, but also gives his secret process to find the best SEO keywords. This module will also equip you with the knowledge required to make a winning content strategy. The fourth module focuses on videos. You might have heard the phrase content is king, so this module is definitely very important as it tells the anatomy of a viral video. It also tells how you can systemize your videos and where you can find free content for your channel. Matt even tells you how to edit your videos for free. In addition, this module will also tell you one of the most important things, that is, how to make thumbnails that have a high click-through rate. Now, many people are able to make this far in their own personal YouTube journey, but this is where most of the people start failing. They do all the hard work, but they are unable to leverage the previous success to grow their channels. This is where the fifth module comes in. It focuses on explaining the YouTube analytics and the algorithm. It also tells you how you can truly go viral on YouTube. This module will help you clear your mind of the various misconceptions and myths about YouTube. It basically will explain to you a few key concepts that play a key role in the growth of a YouTube channel. The sixth module focuses on the money part. Yep, money makes the world go round, and I believe money is the primary goal of like 98% of the people who want to get into the YouTube business. You might be surprised to know that more than 80% of the YouTube channel owners never get to earn money up to their full potential. This is simply because of the lack of knowledge about the various ways they can monetize their channels to earn more money. So the sixth module will tell you how you can make more money than most of the YouTubers. It will introduce you with various ways of monetizing your channel. Also, in this module, Matt tells his experience and his own personal favorite ways of monetization. Last but not least, the seventh module tells how you can scale your channel and outsource work to other people. Now, obviously, we all dream of having a business which generates money on its own without us doing a hell of a lot. Most of the people spend their entire lives looking for that heavenly scenario, but only a few people are able to reach that goal. This seventh module gives you a blueprint of how you can automate everything and see the money roll in every month, as long as you have created good content. This module will equip you with the knowledge required to make a video creation assembly line. Yeah, so these 7 modules pretty much cover everything from starting a YouTube channel to growing it, eventually outsourcing all the work in order to make a business that is truly automated and is capable of bringing in 6-figure and 7-figure revenues every month. Now let's take a look at some of the pros of Matt's course. First, we will look at the pros of the course. Okay, so the first thing is that is one-to-all solution, and it does not require any additional information. It teaches you everything from scratch and then it builds on it. The second benefit of Tube Mastery Monetization is that one does not need to have any technical skills or prior knowledge to start the course. Another great advantage of this course is that it is actually a course made by someone who has already achieved success in the field. There are many gurus who claim to teach you how to get YouTube success, but they have never achieved it themselves. So Matt's course definitely has an advantage there. The next really big benefit of the course is that it is not a monthly subscription or anything. It has reasonable one-time fee that you can pay and get the course. You get the 24/7 lifetime access and you can work at your own pace. Last but not least, it comes with money back guarantee. So there you go. After going through the course, you cannot see it working for you, then you can get your money back. This simply tells of the confidence that Matt has on his course. As is the case with every other course, this one also has a few cons. The first major problem with the course is that it is not a get-rich-quick solution. Nothing is. The second problem that we see with the course is that it does not require... The second problem that we see with this course is that it does require a lot of focus and hard work, at least in the first few months. Although this course gives you a great blueprint of creating a highly successful YouTube business, but at the end of the day, it is you who has to work and take the steps. So if you are yourself and not focused or motivated, then it will obviously not work. So what is our final verdict about Matt Parr's Tube Mastery and Monetization course? Well, this course is totally worth it, and it will actually give you a solid step-by-step plan in order to make your YouTube channel, grow it, and then outsource it. This course has the potential of making you a millionaire, provided that you are focused and willing to work on it for a year or so. You can get this course right away for a discounted price of $497 only, and this price has plans of going up. So get in now to get your discounted price of $497 only. The link is in the description. Follow the link and get the course on the discounted price. Its original price is $997, but it is currently available for $497 only. As I say, this course is definitely only going to increase in value. The course has the potential of making you a YouTube millionaire. We believe that it is a great course, and it is totally worth it. We will be back with a review of more courses soon, so please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon as well, so that you can receive notifications about our latest updates. We will see you guys in the next one. Till then, goodbye.